Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can design a website using AI. So AI will do the job, it will make the content, it will search for images and it will design the whole website ready to be used. So let's check how you can do that. So first of all, we need to install a blank website where you will test this out. So here I am using the ZipWP platform where you can create different type of staging website. So let's create a blank website here. So I have already made a video on how to use ZipWP, so you can get the link in the description. So let's set a name here. So let me click on create site. All right, now let's click on login to our WordPress website. So here let me click on dismiss and let's go to plugins and let me select and let me delete it. Now let's go to appearance and let me click on add theme and let me install the Astra theme here and let me quickly activate it. And after that you will see a prompt like this: build your dream site in minutes with AI. So let's test that. So let me click on get started with starter template. Now here you will see this option AI website builder. So I will click on build with AI and here you can set a name of the website. So let me set the name as local news and let me search the website to news site. Now let's click on next and here you can set a prompt for your website. So let me quickly do that and let me click on improve using AI. So it will improve the prompt for us so that it will make better website, and I will click on next. Now you can enter your email, phone number, address and social media links. So it will be used on your website. So let me enter my email and let me add social media links. So let me add YouTube and let me add Twitter as well. Also let's add Instagram. All right, now let's click on next. Now it will search for different images, so you can select your images. So let me select these images and you can also upload your own images from here. Alright, I have selected few images, so you can just type your keyword and search for images here. So you can see the selected images, or you can edit it, or you can upload your own images from your computer. So let me click on next and check how this AI is generating our website. So as you can see, it is generating different previews. So you can see the design. Alright, as you can see, it has generated few templates design for us. So let me select option 2 here and let's check how it looks. So we have our header menu and we have a hero section with call to action button and we have different services option and we have a headline, we have a section with these testimonials, and this is how the website looks. So let's click on back to other design and let's check this one. And you can see this is how this layout looks like, and we have some premium options as well. So let's scroll down. Alright, so let me select the option number 28 here, and here you can change the font style. So let me select this one as my font, and you can also change the color style. Alright, the first one is looking good. Now let's click on continue. Now here you can see different options, whether you want to create a blog website, we have contact form and we have page builder, whether you want to add a live chat or not, automation or integration. So let me click on start building. Now let's click on create ZipWP account, or you can log in it. So I have already have a account, so I will click on login. Now let's click on start building. Now it will create a website using AI. So let's wait for the result. Alright, our website is ready to use. So let me click on see your website. So as you can see, our website is ready. So stay informed, stay connected, your reliable source for local and international news updates. Alright, we have comprehensive news coverage. Explore our diverse offering in sports, entertainment, politics, science and history to stay up to date on all events. And we have timely update, in-depth analysis, diverse content categories, and this is how discover the story behind local news and its mission. So as you can see, it is using AI to generate the text for us. So this is good. Why choose local news and updates, quality journalism, diverse coverage, user-friendly design, meet our team, and all these readers option. Alright, our website is almost ready, so we need to make some changes. So let's go to the blog section, and this is our blog. So we need to add this blog section to our home page. So let me go to home page and I will click on edit page. Now let's add a blog section. So let me add a blog section. After that I will click on add after, and here I will click on plus, and let's add a container, and let me select the single container here, and I will click on plus, and I will click on browse all. Now let's search for a post blog here, and we have a post grid. So let me click on here, and we have the post grid. So let me select it, and let me set this post page to 3. Alright, now let's click on container, and we can add a padding as well. So I will click on spacing, and we can set a padding of, let's say, 10 pixel or 20 pixel. Now let's click on save. Let's open it, and as you can see we have the blog post. So we can add a heading. So we'll click on here, and I will click on add before, and I will type heading, and I will add heading like latest news. Alright, now you can click on here, and you can filter it with categories. So you can select the category here, so that it will show the post from the single category. So in this way we can create different sections like category 1, category 2. So in first you will show tech category, in second you will show news, local news, in third you will show politics category. So in this way you can filter your category. So all these categories will show up here. So you need to select that category and show that post here. And you can also select any of the text and you can change it. You can change your images by clicking on the replace button. So this is how simple it is to create a website using AI. So let me click on save. So let's check different pages. So let's go to about page, and we have about local news, our missions and vision, and we have all these sections. Let's click on service page, and let's click on blog page here, and we have the contact page. And as you can see we have the contact information. So we have the address already added to the website in the footer sections, and all the description are ready to use. Now you can further customize it. Just click on customize, and you can click on global, click on colors, and you can change the styling of the website. As you can see the styling is now changed. So let me click on default, and here you can change the accent color, links color, body text color, and you can also change typography. And we have the header builder, breadcrumbs, blog page, sidebar. So I have already made a video on how to customize Astra theme. So you can also follow that video to customize the Astra theme completely. So you can get Astra Pro theme with $37 per year, and you can also get Essential Toolkit where you will get Ultimate Add-ons Pro for Elementor, and you will get Spectra Pro plugin page builder as well. So make sure to check out the Astra theme and let me know your experience with Astra theme in the comment section. And if you want me to cover more videos regarding Astra theme, then do let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. And I have also included all the links including Astra zip WP in the comment section. So make sure to check it out. Thank you.